What's up, guys, and welcome. You are watching Fazi Fitness. Regan Grimes gave another physique update 5 weeks post Boston Pro Show, weighing 280 pounds. No, he didn't go for a crazy rebound. This period was supposed to be a health and recovery phase for him because he plans to start his full force off-season in June. After that, it will be full throttle right into the Olympia. And it's about time Regan Grimes shows us what he can do on that grand stage. It will be the third consecutive Olympia of his career. He's working with one of the best coaches in the industry right now. And we all heard Milo saying he can be Mr. Olympia in the next 2 to 3 years. So, let's start that journey by cracking top 10 in 2022. And I really think Regan at his best can really do that. After watching Regan at the Arnold Classic and Boston Pro, one thing was certain. He needs more size and more wow factor on stage if he wants to be Mr. Olympia contender. Samson Dauda is looking really impressive 5 weeks after Boston Pro Show. Time for some much needed rest for the next off-season. If we just look at Samson's progress from his first show in 2021 to Boston Pro, one cannot help but appreciate how fast he made some serious improvements without sacrificing any of his classic lines. And the surprising factor is that him and Milos didn't start a proper off-season because they were hoping for Arnold Classic invite. Samson is looking for a top 10 finish at his first ever Olympia, and I do think that is well within his reach. Rafael dropped a new physique update 2 weeks out of the Arnold Classic Brazil. It's safe to say that this is going to be a dominant victory for him. And it's gonna taste sweet because Rafael has been wanting to win this show in his own country for a long time now. Rafael is already qualified for the Olympia. He won Romania Pro, beating Samson, and he is definitely getting a victory here in Brazil as well. That is a great momentum Rafael will carry into his first ever Olympia. Indy Pro is just a week after Arnold Brazil, and Charles Griffin is ready for battle. We haven't seen Charles compete in the last 7 months or so, and he looks an entirely different animal now. That being said, I think Charles has better legs when it comes to separation, but Justin is overall a better bodybuilder. He is just too big on stage, plus he is bringing top-notch conditioning as well. New York Pro is just 1 week after Indy, so we expect Charles Griffin to do that show as well, as Justin has already committed to it. That is a great retirement look for the winningest bodybuilder of all time, the legend Dexter Jackson. After dropping almost 40 pounds, Dexter is now weighing 210 pounds, still lean, still muscular. Dexter retired in 2020 and he is currently 52 years old. Is Dex thinking about doing the Masters Olympia? Absolutely not. He's 100% at peace with retirement decision as he competed in the world of bodybuilding for almost 3 decades. His record of 5 Arnold Classic wins is not going to be easily broken by anyone. Ending this video with Muhammad Fada. People call him the next big thing after Big Ramy. We only saw him compete once at KO Pro last year where he placed 5th. Judges asked him to bring more mass and that's what Fada has been doing. Looking back at KO Pro, I think he looked pretty damn complete with great stage conditioning. Honey Rambod is coaching him, and this is one of those guys who is 100% confident that he will step on the Olympia stage this year. Hit the thumbs up button if you liked the video and smash the subscribe button if you wanna come back for more. Thanks for watching.